Good morning to all students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 13, A Shelter So High. In this lesson we are going to learn about story of one traveler. His name is Gaurav Jani, and he is sharing his experience of traveling with us. So let's begin the lesson. We will see what he is saying. See, a traveler tale means that Gaurav Jani tale. I am a Gaurav Jani and this is Lunar. Lunar means his motorcycle name is Lunar. So he is saying my partner, Lunar is my partner and Lunar is my motorcycle. But Lunar is never lonely. We are together all time. They together all time and they travel far away because he love to travel on bike. And again he ahead he said, I and my scooter wait for change to get away from the busy, crowded and noisy city of the different parts of this wonderful country. Let me tell you about amazing journey on the highest road in India. So he is traveling and he is going to share his experience with us. He visited many places and he is telling about that to us. So let's see. Move ahead. What is saying? Getting ready. This journey took about 2 months. How many time his journey taking? 2 months. I had to carry everything on my motorcycle. I had to plan and I have to plan and collect all things needed, whatever he needed to travel. No, he collect all things and he tie on the bike and he start to going going to visit many places. So what he's saying, he packed a small tent, sleeping bag, plastic sheet, warm clothes, food that would remain fresh for some day. So which things he took with him? He took tent for sleeping and sleeping bag, plastic sheets, warm clothes and some foods. Which kind of foods? Foods that remain fresh for some days, like biscuit, then chuda, then like uh, biscuit, chocolates, like this kind of food. I also took my camera also to catch the photos. An extra can for petrol because he is traveling on the petrol. That's why he is taking extra can uh, to fill petrol because there is no petrol pump available everywhere. So Lunar and he left Mumbai, passing through small village and towns of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan to reach Delhi. So he began to travel from Mumbai, and he which places he which places and which states he throw pass away pass he passing Maharashtra state, Gujarat state, Rajasthan to reach Delhi. So he took 3 days to cover 1400 kilometers from Mumbai to Delhi. So how many kilometers he traveled? 1400 from Mumbai to Delhi. He took 3 days. How many days? He took 3 days to travel 1400 kilometers to reach Mumbai to Delhi. And he was hoping to see something new and different in Delhi. But Delhi looked just like Mumbai. Like Mumbai, nothing is there different. Like Mumbai, Delhi look like only that. So he is telling, he tried to looking at some kinds of houses made of cement, bricks, glass, and steel. So he was looking forward to journey ahead. So he is starting next journey. So he was excited. See the route of Mumbai to Delhi. See Mumbai to Delhi. He is traveling. You can see the route of Mumbai to Delhi. I am showing on the India map. So how many kilometers he took? He took 1400 kilometers. So he was excited that he would be able to see wooden houses with sloping roofs, uh, and those covered with snow. So he had seen pictures of such houses in many books. Firstly, he saw many houses book uh, wooden houses book in the pictures and newspaper, but he was excited to see that live. So he packed more things in Delhi and continued to travel. In 2 days he were in Manali. Manali is a hill station, so it was so refreshing to be in the mountains and breathe is clean air, because Manali is a hill station. Everywhere we can see the mountain in Manali. So Manali is a famous tourist place. Now the real journey was to begin. So they had to travel through the difficult roads of the state of Jammu and Kashmir to reach Leh and Ladakh. You know now Jammu Kashmir and Leh Ladakh is a union territory. So he was excited to see wooden houses there, because everywhere we can see the mountain area, snow also in Jammu Kashmir, then Leh Ladakh. So it was amazing experience for Gaurav Jani. You can see the pictures of some houses over here. Such kind of houses no we can see in the um, mountain area, hilly area like Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. So you can see this wooden houses. Why they made wooden houses? Because these wooden houses keep people's body warm, because in mountain area no always snowfall we can see there. So these wooden houses keep people warm and help them to getting heat for their body. Now you can see the picture of Manali. You can see this tourist place, famous tourist place Manali. You can see in this picture such kind of scene we can see in Manali. Now see, understand the route of Manali. You can see Delhi here, over here center, the capital of India, and you can see the Manali after Shimla. Manali place come, you can see in the blue dot and the red line, it is a route of Manali. See, Gaurav Jani is traveling by this route. And where is the Leh Ladakh? You can see in the second picture Leh. It is falls in Jammu Kashmir. It is falls in Jammu Kashmir state. So understand this. Now see page number 121. Find out, check in your map which state will be passed through while traveling from Mumbai to Kashmir. When Gaurav Jani traveling Mumbai to Kashmir, he will pass through the Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. Next question. Gaurav Jani passed through several states while going from Mumbai to Delhi. Find the capital cities of the state. Was there any other big town on his way? Now see, he passes through lots of state like Maharashtra, Mumbai, Gujarat. So Gaurav Jani passed through several states. Their capital cities are follows. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Some of big cities on his way could be Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Chandigarh. These are some big cities which he was visited. Next question is, in Manali, a plain or hilly area, in which state it is? Manali is a hilly area, not plain area. And in which state Manali fall? Manali is a big city. It is hilly area. Manali is a hilly area and he is in Himachal Pradesh. We will understand how Gaurav Jani traveled by Mumbai to Delhi. See, Gaurav Jani is traveling to Mumbai, like Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, then Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and last he reached at Jammu Kashmir. Now, what he is saying ahead? See, new home, lunar, and he were covering long distance each day. In each day he traveled lots of kilometers. All I needed was food and a tent to protect myself from the cold night air. And for protect his body, no, he need food, lots of food, energy type food. And he need tent to protect himself from the cold at night. So his nylon tent was so small that that means he could just about fit in it to sleep. You can see the nylon, his nylon tent, it is very small but he can fit in it. So Lunar stood guard outside the tent, like dog guarding our home, no, that his Lunar is stood outside the tent, and his Lunar guard his tent. The breeze, the air, the wind, and the sound of the birds woke up him to see the sunrise. So by the sound of the birds and the sound of the wind, no, he woke up, and he saw sunrise there. Now, see, you have to tell in on page number 122. Have you ever stayed in a tent? Where? What was it like? You have to write your own experience over here. Now imagine that you were to stay alone in a small tent for 2 days and could take with you only one tent. Make a list of those 10 things. Which things you required if you want to stay in a 10. So if you have to your answer should like this. So you have to write, if I were to stay alone in small tent for 2 days, I will take following 10 things with me, like clothes, sweater, blanket, torch, package for food, water, stove for making tea, Maggie, and other food. So mosquito nets, then shoes and cameras. Such kind of things you require for camping and or stay in a tent. Next question is, what are the different type of houses that you seen? Tell your friends about it. Make drawing too. You have to draw. Mostly we can see the cement houses, then hut, tent. With this kind of houses we can see mostly around us. So you have to write your answer. I have seen different type of houses at different places. Following is the list of some houses. That is a thatched hut made of dry leaves and mud. And walls. Then pakka house made of brick and cement, steel house made of bamboo and stills.